Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on PowerPoint app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of banner on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first page, you'll find apps and you can click on PowerPoint app. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about PowerPoint, you can announce clear up, and you can answer it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.